Hello everybody, today we are going to show you how to change the oil on this 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. The first thing we are going to do is lift the hood and remove the oil cap. This will allow the oil to drain out faster by allowing air to vent the engine crankcase. We suggest hood latch so you can't close the hood without putting the cap on the engine. Next, we will raise the car up in the air. In this case, we are using a lift to get a better look at the underside of the car. You can use a floor jack to raise the car, but always be sure to use jack stands under the car so it does not fall on you. Now that we have the car up in the air, we need to find the drain plug and get the correct wrench size to remove it. Place your drain pan under the car and align it with the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and let it drain into the pan. Be sure to protect your hands from the hot oil. When the oil is draining, clean the drain plug and inspect the sealing washer. Replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque it to the recommended specs. Be sure not to over-tighten it. Next, you're going to want to get a rag or a paper towel and clean off any oil that may have been spilled while the oil was draining. Now, we are going to locate the oil filter, put your drain pan under it, and remove the filter. Use the old filter to transfer oil onto the seal of the new filter. This will assure you that you are aware the old seal did not stay on the engine. When the engine stops draining, install the new filter on the engine. Tighten it by hand, then turn it a half a turn more with a wrench.